We've got huge news for Constellation Network and the DAG token. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income, from farming and staking of blue chips to low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. There had been some rumors in the last few weeks of possible partnerships between Constellation Network and some government agencies from the U.S. military, and that came true today. They announced it. It is very, very bullish for Constellation Network, the DAG token, and in my opinion, crypto in general. I tweeted this out right away when I found out about it. That was, about 7 hours ago. If you want to get this news quicker, make sure you follow me on Twitter. It's at the APY Guy. It's at the _APY_guy. I do a lot of threads on here of different projects with a lot of information and sometimes news if I can get to it quick enough. I actually did a really cool, I think it's really cool, I'm proud of it, a nice thread on DAG Constellation, or Constellation DAG, the hypergraph. I just actually tweeted that out last night. Great timing on that. I might go over that in a video in the future. But let's take a look at the actual news here. This is Constellation Network's tweet, and they put out, it's an honor to be working with the Department of Defense to explore hashtag crypto use cases and push blockchain boundaries. And if we go into the actual article, it's Blockworks is the one that tweeted it out. It says the news, U.S. Department of Defense completes a pioneering blockchain contract with startup Constellation. If we go ahead and we dig deeper into this article, it says the same, it marks a significant milestone as one of the first completed blockchain phase 2 contracts within the government sector. Down here it says Biden's White House might be waging a war on crypto, but it hasn't stopped the U.S. Department of Defense from pushing blockchain boundaries. The Department of Defense, or DoD, has just finalized a contract with a 6-year-old blockchain startup, a significant step for the industry. I think it's a very significant step for the industry. This may be the biggest contract. I think it is the biggest contract any crypto project has signed. I guess VeChain would be the other one. I don't know if you can think of any other ones that are more significant than this, or what VeChain has done. Can you leave those in the comments, please? Established in 2017, Constellation is privately backed, founder-led blockchain ecosystem with a keen focus on processing big data. Its infrastructure is pitched to support decentralized data marketplaces and maintain data provenance and integrity. A San Francisco-based firm has said Thursday the completion of its Phase 2 Department of Defense contract led to a well-defined deliverable prototype. The U.S. Air Force began contracting Constellation through a Department of Defense partnership in 2019. The U.S. military eyed Constellation as a way to modernize the cybersecurity of its back-end systems. The Phase 2 contract continued research and development to evaluate the commercial potential of the platform, including deal sizes up to $1 million. The idea was to explore whether the blockchain could provide a secure way to effectively and efficiently transfer confidential data across our defense transportation system. Commercial airlift partners without sacrificing cost or speed. Christopher Stuhl-Dreher, UASF Senior Cyber Operation Analyst, said in a statement. Phase 3, meanwhile, will look at commercialization based on prior phases without any limits to contract duration or value. A Constellation statement said its prototype was defense approved. This contract proves the core promises of what distributed ledger technology can and will continue to bring forward. Benjamin Diggles, Constellation Chief Strategy Officer and co-founder, told Blockworks. Data is paramount to federal communications, he explained. Refining how that data is shared has big potential to impact how information warfare is fought in the modern age. Knowing that, the closer we can get to the source of data, the cleaner the attribution is, as well as the ability to secure end-to-end data pipelines, Diggle said. That's super bullish. They've already been doing deals up to $1 million, and it says that they're going to do other ones that have no cap on size. And then down here, they continue to kind of explain what hypergraph is. If you want to read my thread, check my Twitter out. It's going to be in the description of this video. I have it pinned to my top of my Twitter account. Down here, they say they talk about the token. It says that the Department of Defense does not hold any DAG or interacting with the token, but Constellation intends to allow external partners to use DAG on their own federal networks in the future. More generally, Diggle said defense receptivity to crypto itself has been mixed. Many folks within the U.S. military see the clear promise, while others only focus on the nefarious activities tied to crypto to date. Changing that mindset requires education about the potential benefits of leveraging crypto for federal efforts, he added. While the Department of Defense holds a higher priority around features such as security and notarization, we have been promoting the importance of cryptocurrencies being tied to data validation as much as possible. And they continue with the U.S. military warm and cold on crypto as per Constellation's value proposition, establishing methods of scalable data security, validation, and attribution within data pipelines could open opportunities for crypto within those systems. It's a pitch that harks back to prominent projects in cycles past, particularly IOTA's quest to grease machine-to-machine communications with blockchain tokens. In any case, Constellation said it has explored a number of crypto use cases with the Department of Defense. They list them here: procurement, payments, and settlement layers in federal procurement workflows, fractionalized licensing, real-time micropayments for licensing microservices, and secure system access, gated identity systems unlocked with NFTs, for example, common access cards. For now, it's one step at a time, as the military isn't going to entertain crypto until insurances and the technology-based layer network are guaranteed, Diggle said. Those involved in Web3 solutions within federal know it's a layer cake, he said. At the bottom, you have the security. In the middle, you have automation of decentralized applications. And on top, you have cryptocurrencies to securely optimize workflows. Constellation hopes to commercialize those first two layers by focusing on what it sees as the largest benefit of using blockchain network, crypto as true utilities. The startup isn't the only blockchain unit working on enhancing military capabilities in the information tech race. Earlier in the year, the U.S. Air Force also poured $30 million into blockchain as a service provider Simba Chain to further develop a system for supply chain quality and management. This is insanely bullish for the DAG token and Constellation Network going into this next bull market, 2024, 2025, with this narrative that they already have a contract with the Department of Defense. This is awesome. And you know, if you watch this channel, that I'm really bullish on DAG to begin with. So this just adds to it. I just keep adding each month to my stake. And if you watch this channel, you only need 100 tokens to stake DAG on Lattice. If you don't know how to stake DAG, I'll leave the video link in the description of this video. We're going to take a look at the price action today for today, because it just popped today a little bit, quite a bit actually. It went from 3.4 cents and popped all the way up to over 4 cents at one point. It's now trading at 3.7 cents. The market cap's under 100 million still. That is just insane in my opinion. It's under 100 million. I think for sure it does a 10x to $1 billion market cap in a bull market. So, an easy 10x on DAG, plus you have the staking capability to make at least about 5 to 7% APR staking annually. All right, I want to get this super bullish news out as soon as possible. If you watch this channel, DAG's one of my favorite projects, one of my biggest bags. So put this video out quickly. I'm bullish on DAG, and obviously the U.S. government is bullish on DAG as well. So, I don't know, at 3.7 cents, I think it's still a bargain. So, as always, thank you for watching, and have a great day.